sọ̀rọ̀ lórí Saraki ọ̀nù Saraki politician gbogbo wọn bákan kan náà ni gbogbo wọn so tapọ̀ ara oníkálukú ló oníkálukú dẹ̀ ń jà fún so most ọ̀hún dẹ̀ ṣe bí àwọn tó ń kọ́pí àwọn òyìnbó tá à ń kọ́pí ọ̀hún ṣe so wọ́n ń ṣe wọ́n máa wo àwa mìíràn àti ìjà ní nǹkan tá a lẹ́yìn wọn máa mú nǹkan tó rọrùn fún mẹ̀kúnnù wá tó ti lè ṣe ọmọ ìwé báyà every politician all the same gbogbo politician Nàìjíríà rí ẹbí wọn òwe àgbà wọn nínú àárí gidi nínú àmàrí ẹ̀ka so ọmọ mi bá wọn lọ́wọ́ gbé àwọn Nàìjíríà ni.
Like Saraki for me, but because of what is happening now, I prefer the government to drop the Saraki case. They should focus on the masses. They should focus on helping the people. The people are dying. Please, stop following Saraki this, Saraki that, this one that. Please, take the way forward. Please, Saraki is now.
I don't know much about Saraki's file, but what are they looking at before you post? So it's all distraction. Now, so I can say Baba no get certificate. I've never met him. I'm from Ogun State. He has not ruled me before. Neither has he ruled as Senate President before. I think this is the first time. I think I can talk little about him. All I know is that he has a lot of money. But as a president, they should. What I see about him is, I think if he's having problem with APC as a whole, he should apologize so that he can carry on. Or if they are the one owing him apology and is very, very stubborn, I want him to just cool off so that he can do his job. Soft pedal and throw the towel. Just allow whatever that is in between you and them to be settled.
Majority of those on the street who have never met him like his personality.
In the position of Senate President, because it's God that gives power to who you like. I like him. The only thing I would have liked for Nigerians is for them to pray for him to keep his personal, if he has personal agenda, let him keep it aside and just focus on Nigeria. And people that are fighting him, they should allow him to work. And we, the poor masses, we are suffering, and these people, they have money in their houses, paying their bills. We, the poor ones, we cannot be able to even pay light bill. But now today, if you open station, go to where they sell papers, the news you see is Saraki, everyday Saraki, we don't hire. What we need in this country is for the country to move forward. The country is moving. Everyday politics. What we want to see online is want to see how station and buy fuel. How we go to market buy food. How we go eat farmers buy food. Calm down. That's what I can say.
My is a credible because have power. Everybody alone. We don't need to take whether you have from PPP. We need the right. To carry something in
is not saying that is weakness as a normal human being, you know. But I think all they are just need the man to do his job. Our state president, let him leave him to do his job properly. You know, all the political relations should stop. You know, let us move forward. Let us focus on development. Focus on improvement of standard of living. They should live into formulate policy that will enable Nigeria to move forward. All this one they are doing is distractions. He can't settle down to do his job. He can't settle down to do anything. They are here and there every day. And the people doing it are rich men. They don't have nothing affect. It's the common man in the street that all will affect. So the man should be able to do his job. You know. I don't think any of them is a saint, all the politicians. They all have things in their cupboard. I don't know Saraki from Adam, but I think it should be left alone to do the job and let the country move forward. That's my opinion about it.
When I speaking, I have any issues with Bukola Saraki's leadership. I do not have any issue with it. So when this crisis came up, I was kind of confused. Forgery, how come? Do you understand? So I don't understand it. Because he said was into the office. So how come he's being the one prosecuted? So if it's so has to be prosecuted, other so we can't so I don't have any issue with it, but just don't in one person in the guidance.
Because Saraki is a very nice person. I want to be like. I think sooner or later, when it wants
I've really seen him. He looks like a gentleman to me. I like the way he talks. I like him. I like him.
Senate President Bola Saraki. Na amma ban ina da gani a foto ban san shi ba. Baka an sai ya shugabanci ko bai iya ba. Inda zai sa saboda ni shugabanci nike ba. Ne ba cikin shugabanci ba cikin gwamnati nike ba. Ne correct shugabanci na ba zan iya gane discorrect shugabanci na shi ba. You understand me? Shi yasa kaga ba zan iya yin hukunci ba ko daya akan shi. Tun cikin gwamnati. Saraki 3%
Those who listen on social media and respond on social media, people will know what you have to say.
I'm not sure I will have enough words to describe a man as a leader, not just because as a politician we have to be leaders. No, it's a man that was born into leadership, coming to leadership, and eventually has managed leadership for over 2 years. A man at senior special president, just at 40 years as a governor, say now president.
I see more dedicated number of people dedicated to hard work. Of that, so much.
One pragmatic and enigmatic politician. Over the years, to
after being tutored in the art of politics by his famous actor that lays follow himself, Baba the knowledge from and they, in a way nobody can really explain. This man assumed a large chunk of political, especially paralysis. Everybody knows. That is leadership. It's very rare, it's uncommon, and to celebrate a man like this. Over time, we would come up with them. The man is simple, for his outlook, very simple. But two, the man is honest. He sees the problem, addresses the problem. This man called Bukola Saraki has been described as the new leader of the Senate.
It's a dynamic man in no organization. That's we
or working with him, watching day transparent life ongoing up close. He is a man with an impeccable.
No, I am not a politician, a private individual. I think so far, from the first start till I think we should, if I'm surviving the on him, but he said, they will give peace a chance. Then give peace a chance. If God is the one that gives power, if God did not ordain him, he would have been inception was the candidate, and now he just we should give a chance. But his president is not stop that. A lot of people said that at the end of the day he became president. Likewise, there's a place in the Bible that talks about every authority that is ordained of God. So when God gives power to fighting God, that's a humble opinion.
President who are in this country, if the one if president they want to tell Nigerians
what is very important in politics in the against corruption. Time government of the presidency starts is actually from the presidency. So Nigerians want to see a situation where the war against corruption, the whole state, let it touch on all the sectors, all the arms of government. After all, those who made APC tick were PDP, and that is why Saraki is still standing. If they must fight the war against corruption, it has to be total. Saraki He's a popular person and he's enjoying support of his.
They say that the party they have to go home and fix themselves because the Bukola Saraki is from APC, yes, and APC against him, and they say my Christian that a house that right against his own self will not stand, so they should not be fighting him because he's part of them. Yes, so that's what me about it. To me, I don't see any problem with him because if he comes like I would say.
Big man before the Saraki said he was a rich man before the voting. So I don't know Nigeria and people are saying that he's corrupt. Saraki said normally read about Saraki's issues. He was ready before becoming even a governor. So I don't know why they hunted or
is our president should with president, but he voted into power, and he was voted into power twice from the state, and even in the state. So only the Senate and his candidate as they are fighting, as people they like someone to the school.
Kida shari'a gwamnati kaga business ka ne saboda ni businessman ne su ko gwamnati ina shirye ciki kaga kuma fannin gwamnati wani ma ne ni ba ma gaci ba ne ban san me yake faruwa ba gaskiya su ne sun san abin da ya faru suna investigation kai su ne san matakin da za su dauka kuma so
Senator Bukola Saraki's apparent sin is in making the truth stand in its rightful place. When arbitrary leaders let us encourage people to participate and involve themselves in decision making to accomplish the common goals.
This is why I'm here to listen to you. I want to assure you that this Senate, House of Representatives, the National Assembly, is people. We are with you. We stand with you and ensure that no policy will be in any way that is not acceptable to the masses and to the people. So all of the same generation, the time is not for that nonsense. Time is for a new path, a new direction. Everybody now is open. Nobody can fool anybody. And I can assure you, nobody will deceive any masses. We will do the right thing. We will consult with you. And we will agree to agree where we have to agree. And where we don't agree, we will find the best solution. At the end of the day, whatever we do must be in the interest of the people, of the masses of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
tá a bá rérin ká láàrérin àjànàkú kọjá mo rí nǹkan fìrí.
You are an elephant in the politics of Nigeria. You are strong, reliable, gigantic, and enigmatic. You are an elephant in Nigerian democracy. Oh, Olóyè mi Bukola Saraki ṣùgbọ́n we will not watch them till you down. You are an elephant in Nigerian democracy.